Hey friends, welcome to Creative X. My name is Brad Hussey. I'm a web designer. Hey, so since we're web designers here, we got to talk about a little something. Portfolios, our websites. What are they for? What's the point? What's a good portfolio? Should we have a portfolio? Are they ever going to get done? These are some eternal questions that we ask as web designers. So today we're going to react to some design portfolios, agency websites, and service websites for creative agencies and freelancers. And we're going to be given some tips about what makes a great portfolio. So let's do it. All right, so real quick, why do we have portfolios? What's the point of a portfolio? Point of a portfolio is kind of like your 24/7 business card. It's out there all the time so that your visitors, your target audience, your potential clients, your potential partners, collaborators, they find you, they can learn about you, see your work, and decide if they want to work with you. Maybe your portfolio is a place to highlight your skills and your abilities so that potential employers can hire you. Maybe your portfolio is a place to highlight your creative works and your artistry to show how creative you are so that potential brands or partners or clients, and they go, I really like that style and I want that artist to work with us. Maybe it's less of a show and tell of how good I am at my craft or my skill or my art, and more of a practical marketing site that sells a service that attracts your potential clients, addresses the need, the problem that they suffer with, and then you, in your portfolio or your marketing site for your services, propose that your services, your offer is the solution to their problem. So there's lots of different ways of approaching our portfolio sites. There's not just one size fits all. So probably the best tip that I could give is think about what's your business, what's the objective of your business, and who's your target audience. So if that's the key point of a portfolio, then you need to really keep in mind that you should not try to please everyone. Because if you try to please everyone, you basically please no one. So think about your target audience, who they are, who you're trying to attract, and who you want to take the next step with you, and just do it for them. Be true to your style, be true to your service, be true to your craft, be true to your art, whatever it is, and speak to just the person you're trying to attract. That's it. Forget about the other people, because their opinions don't matter if they're not your target audience. So if they say, oh, I don't like this, or that's a weird effect, or I don't like your font choices, or this is too technical, or this is too this or too that. If they're not your target audience, it doesn't matter. Let them think what they think. You need to speak to the people that are going to work with you. So with these tips in mind, let's actually take a look at some crazy and cool and weird and not so good. Maybe they're all good. Maybe they're not good. We'll see. I haven't looked at any of these yet. I just pulled up a whole bunch. We're going to give some honest reactions here and see if I can give some objective thoughts and feedback, but also, hey, remember what I just said, attract the person who your target customer is. I'm probably not the target customer for most of these. So my opinions and thoughts on this might not matter to the person who created the site. So we can appreciate for what it is, but let's take a little looky here. Rejiggle.co. Look at this. Look at my giant screen. It's all white space and just a little bit of copy up in the left. This is a design studio founded by Daryl Jen. I don't know if I'm getting that right. We work with select clients to create beautiful and fun designs. But look at this. It's like, we design specifically to get results. We only work with people and teams who are passionate about taking their project to higher levels. If you're serious about creating a website that's joyful and fun, easy to use, get results, reach out, contact us. That's it. It's just like, that's it. There's a couple links like Instagram and Twitter, and then you can go check out some of the work that they've done and projects, but it's like, it's just this. I love that. And then there's this cool little, they took over the cursor and made it a big black dot. So this is a good example of just like, do you do you, and you attract the type of people you want. Because the people who look at this and go, well, I can't see the examples of your work, so I can judge you based on your skills and try to find somebody cheaper and better. They're just like, nah, if this makes you feel annoyed, then I don't want to work with you. That's good. So I like this. Okay, next up, we got Fulton.com. I don't know how to say that. Okay, so here it is. Let's find out. I don't even know what this is. We got art director, maker of things, 3D dabbler. I'm trying to spin this ribbon. How do I do it? Do I just move it across here? Internet builder, Creative Coder. That's it. And Philip. A little frustrating. Cool effect. Very cool. The ribbon, and I can kind of go through and see like, these are like snapshots of the work, photography, like lots of different things. Jack of all trades, kind of like a bit of a renaissance man in terms of the internet creation. Pretty cool. Can I click into these things maybe? Nope. Okay. Here's the thing. Really, really cool effects. I like this. Like effects and stuff, but in terms of user experience, kind of just like ultimately frustrating. Buildinamsterdam.com. Okay, let's see. I always find the European designers, they always come at it from like a cool way. I love your design style, but I honestly do find that across the pond, something in the water, something artistic over there. Because like, I'll look for inspiration on sites like this, and really cool style. Really cool interaction. There's a menu down here. You can close, ooh, little pop-up. Pop-a-like. Look at these little snapshots of the pages. Let's go check out the work. Animations, tasty, most viewed. We got cool scroll effects on this mosaic style, like layout. Wow. I like photography. We got some art, digital exhibitions. Yeah, like this is cool. This is a real cool way of highlighting work, being unapologetically you, but also keeping in mind like user experience. Like this works. This works. Let's give it a look in like mobile. Check it out on like a big iPhone. Okay. Ooh, what's happening? Let's see. Oh, something going on there. Hold on. I mean, almost awesome here. Look at this. So like really cool typography, nice space, cool font choice. And then I thought there was going to be an overflow issue here, like a horizontal overflow issue. But look at this. It stops here. It hijacks my scroll and it slips me sideways and brings me down. There's nothing here though. I don't know what's going on there, but that's cool. That's cool. Ooh. Oh, scrolling at different speeds. You have a good mustache, sir. I like that. Oh, anyway, carry on. This is cool. I don't know. I have no real feedback here other than like, this is bomb. I like this site. Okay, so here's just an example in Editor X. So if you want to build a cool portfolio, let's say like that last one, and you're like, I don't know how to make that because that takes some serious development chops. And you could see the last agency had a huge team. So they've got the resources to make that. You as a solo designer or creative and you want something cool like that, and you don't want to like shell out 20 grand for sick website, well, check it out. Editor X, lots of templates. Here's one, digital agency website. Same sort of idea. If you want to have some sort of cool website with cool interactions, cool features, really easy to create cool animations and effects, fully responsive. I mean, you could have that really easily, all baked in Editor X. And this is just a template. Lots of different options there for templates that you can play around with. I'll show you a couple more here throughout this, but it's just a good example of how you can either build from scratch or you could start with a template and look way more impressive than you think you are. We got Smash.studio. Okay, so this is a digital experience design 3D animation studio. Okay, so keep in mind, they want to show off their 3D animation chops. They want to flex. Let's see if they flex. Oh, they're flexing. They're flexing all right. Like, we're twisting knobs, we're flipping over here, we're swooping around. We got about us, we got text going over that way. We're spinning, we're showing some retro renderings of like old devices, moving along. We're going around, we're going on an experience. This is called scrolly telling. And we got Ashley Reed, the creative director and 3D artist. If I move my mouse around, it moves with like it's a perspective thing. It moves and interacts with, like, this is a cool experience. Smooth locomotive style scrolling and a funny little mouse there. A little frustrating. I find the whole locomotive scrolling thing, like I don't have control, but maybe that's a good thing. Maybe they're like, no, Brad. Come closer. Just let go. And let us take you on a little ride. and we'll create a smash hit. Pretty cool. I like the color too. Okay, we got marketing expert Kirilo Prisula. Got that name right. Loving the typography. We got a spinning wheel. Okay. Ooh, that was tasty. I'm gonna guess that Kirilo wears glasses. Very cool. Let's see. Oh, when I scroll, it makes the image like I can interact with the. Okay, I can scrub through this image in different frames. Oh, and he does. Got them glasses. Nice tint on them too. Oh, he smiled. So that's friendly. Look at this. It's like, who's this mysterious fellow? How kind. His mission is to help the companies find the clients. I love it. I love it. Help the companies find the clients. Couldn't be more clear than that. I like it. Achieve quick wins. Hey, good typography. Like, this is a portfolio that is highlighting kind of his personality, his style, his vibe, his personal brand, and kind of selling you on his take on the whole thing. It's a sales page. It's a marketing page. But it's got that essence of like a personal brand portfolio. Build system marketing, carefully study the state of your marketing at this moment, and then we're gonna plan to create some ambitious goals, build a strong team, implement those changes, and experience, ones and zeros. First professional anniversary, what's this? 10 years in the sphere of marketing in 2020. First professional anniversary, wouldn't that be your 10th anniversary? Hey, look at this. Oh, cool. I'm trying to highlight that text, and I would not have known that unless I highlighted it. So I tried highlighting the text, but look at this highlight effect. Showing off the design chops, but also communicating to the client what you can do for them. Kind of wowing them. I bet you wow your clients. Oh, and I like that. Look at that. As you scroll down, a little bit of a wipe. And then whoosh, coming in from right field. Okay. Oh, very nice. Very cool storytelling. This is a cool way of showing more about you. Like if you're trying to highlight in a cool way about you and about what you do, like look at how cool this is. Scrolling horizontally. Oh, we got that wipe effect and glasses. Oh, they're coming in, they're coming down, they're coming out. Whoa, what's happening here? Competences. Creation of new products, build strong teams, structuring and building unconventional solutions. Wow, like really dynamic. It makes me want to know what's going to happen next, and I want to read. And it's all text. Really cool typography, really cool hierarchy, and great like animations to just highlight his expertise. Let's find customers for your business. Oh, is this a form? Is. Oh, that was impressive. Let's see what's next. Founders, secret source, entrepreneurs, secret source. We got a ticker tape. Aloha, welcome to Pinoto Design Studio. Mobile app design with lots of ticker tapes here. Hey, this is really interesting. Mobile app design, prices. Like the pricing is kind of cool. I like the button treatments, cool typography, that monospace font. Like really cool design style. I like the unique design style. So here's what's cool. So you have your own personal brand. Your agency, your freelance business has your own personal brand style. So you could see Pinotive.com, this agency, they've got this really cool kind of 8-bit style, retro style, but also futuristic. They're using cool monospace fonts and animations, but they also create for these different brands and companies, sites, apps, games, and their style is now gone. And they adopt what does the client need and what can I create for that client? So their offer is this high-end, high-quality, really cool creative branding. That's their one offer. But when they apply it to this client, that's where they get to play and be creative. Very cool. Unlimited design subscription service, My Design Buddy. Very cutesy, very light-hearted. You know, kind of, it softens the blow with like the price. 4,500, is that pounds, euros? 4,500 these. It's cute. So this is like a portfolio by Craig, but it's actually a website that sells a service. So, and then you could probably see the work. So this is kind of like how portfolio works. Like you can see some examples like a portfolio, full portfolio, but this portfolio is meant to serve the need of selling a service, a subscription service, an unlimited design subscription service. Now that is cool. I love talking productized services and unlimited subscription services. That's a mouthful. If you want to talk more about that, actually join us in the Creative X crew. It's free. It's my free community for creative professionals like you who want to learn how to make a living doing this creative work that you love as a freelancer, agency owner. A lot of people in there, over 1,000 people so far. We meet every week, twice a week, office hours, coffee chats. It's so great. Events, workshops, courses, learnings. It's so fun. And we're there to help you succeed. Okay. Ooh, I like this one. Design just got easy. Big headline, simple. Design subscription with unlimited requests. Ooh, we popped that gorilla. Say goodbye to expensive agencies and hourly billing. Unlimited requests, fixed monthly fee. Look at this. Again, this is like a portfolio, see? But it's saying, here's my offer. A roast of your site. So here is, this website has one offer, which is unlimited design. That's the key offer, okay? If you attended my Dribble webinar where we talked about, what the one offer, some people had questions like, but what if I want to offer other things? You can, as a branch of your one key offer. You're not doing anything for anyone, and for everybody, and it's always different and customized. It's, you have a key offer for a key customer, a key client, but you can branch off. So this is a key offering here. It's probably a subscription that is, $2,000, I'm guessing, a month. Okay, way more. So 34, 44, and that makes total sense. I think it's great. Okay, so that's the key offering. There's another tier so that you can choose another variation, design or design plus web. But let's say, you know what, I'm not there yet. Let's just give me a roast of my site. $500, book a roast, go through the site, deliver a video with key things to improve. So it's still on the track of that offering. From that, what's the next step? It makes sense. Is, hey, do you want me to be your unlimited designer or web designer? Let's do it. And I'll apply that $500 to your first month. That's what I would do. So this is cool. Love from, ooh, oh, wow. That was delightful. Is a creative collective. We are designers, architects, musicians, filmmakers, writers, engineers, and artists. You may know us by our past work. We're obsessed with the traditions of creating and making. Fanatically devoted to excellence, insatiably curious, we collaborate with leaders and founders. We work on projects for joy. We develop our own ideas, love and fury. What now? Like, is that it? I can't do anything. I just read a delightful love letter from them to me. I can't even highlight it. I can't highlight this to copy and paste love and fury. I know I could type it. I guess the next step that I would take is Google love from or love and fury and find out how I could work with them. Maybe they're a purely word of mouth and they don't want your business. They only want, if you've worked with them or you know someone, you'll get an invite when you get an invite. What I want you to see from this is that portfolios are kind of an expression of yourself and your brand, but also to attract the type of people that you want to work with. What's that saying? Your vibe attracts your tribe or something like that. Your personal brand, your company brand, it has to be you 150%, but it's got to also attract the people you want to work with. Not everybody, okay? That's why some people are unapologetically yellow. They swear a bit. They use animations that are way over the top and really frustrating. But you know what? For the right people, that's it. So for your portfolios, be you 150%. Remember who you're trying to target and who you want to work with. It can be stupid simple. It can be full on just text, like rejiggle.co, which I love, by the way. You can keep it simple, communicate your message to your client. You could show off your work, you could not. You could make it behind a wall where it's hard to get to, or you could put it all out there for everybody to see. Be 150% you, and also consider offering something rather than just saying contact me or book me. Maybe you have a product or a service or a productized service. These are sorts of things that we talk about in the Creative X crew. Join us in the link below. I want to talk with you. We're going to meet up every week. We're going to help you grow your business. Join us. I'd love to see you there. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss all of these best in the world videos ever. Thank you so much.